back to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today we are learning Lesson 19, the story about manna and water. We are also going to learn our English vocabulary words about food. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our new vocabulary words. Are you ready? Wilderness. Wilderness. The wilderness is a place where no one lives. Wilderness. Pick up. Pick up. The girl picks up a stick from the ground. Pick up. Bread. Bread. Bread is a food made of flour that you can eat. Bread. Food. Food. There are many different kinds of food you can buy at the grocery store or the market. For example, there are fruits, vegetables, and meat. Food. Hungry. Hungry. The man is so hungry, he is dreaming about eating a hamburger. Hungry. Thirsty. Thirsty. The boy is thirsty after running for a long time. Thirsty. Drink. Drink. When you are thirsty, you should drink water. Drink. Pray. Pray. To pray means to talk to God. Pray. Strike. Strike. The boy is striking or hitting the nail. Strike. Rock. Rock. You can find many rocks in the wilderness. Rock. Flow. Flow. The water is flowing down the rocks. Flow. Israelites. Israelites. The Israelites are the people who were set free from slavery from the Egyptians and are traveling to find their own land. Israelites. Believe. Believe. The man believes he will be successful if he works hard. Believe. Receive. Receive. The woman is very excited to receive the small gift. Receive. Whatever. Whatever. The man can go in whatever direction he chooses. Whatever. Great job, everyone. Let's learn our power verse together. Are you ready? Matthew chapter 21, verse 22. If you believe, you will receive whatever you ask for in prayer. You know these words. Believe, believe. Receive, receive. Whatever, whatever. Prayer, prayer. Let's read it together one more time. Matthew chapter 21, verse 22. If you believe, you will receive whatever you ask for in prayer. Awesome job, everyone. Now let's read My Precious Book together. My Precious Book, page 39 and 41. God's people left Egypt and came to the wilderness. Each day they picked up white beads of manna, bread, from the ground. This is food sent by God, so that they would not go hungry. The girl in the picture is thanking God. What food did God give to his people each day? God's people walked in the wilderness and were thirsty because they couldn't find water to drink. Moses prayed to God and struck a rock as God told him. Water flowed from the rock, and the Israelites drank fully. What happened when Moses struck the rock? We can learn 3 important points from the power verse and from My Precious Book. Number 1, God knows what we need. Number 2, God provided the Israelites with food and water. God wants to be the food and water for our hearts. Number 3, if you believe, God will answer you when you pray. Great job, everyone. Now let's learn our new vocabulary words about food. Are you ready? Taste, taste. Taste is a verb we use when we try a little bit of food to see what it is like. Taste. Rice, rice. Noodles, noodles. Chicken, chicken. Beef, beef. Pork, pork. Soup, soup. Vegetables, vegetables. Fruit, fruit. Carrots, carrots. Onions, onions. Eggplant, eggplant. potatoes, potatoes. Chili peppers, chili peppers. Salt, salt. Pepper, pepper. Sauce, sauce. Garlic, garlic. Ginger, ginger. Eggs, eggs. Apples, apples. Bananas, bananas. Mangoes, mangoes. Pineapples, pineapples. Oranges, oranges. Great job! Now let's learn some adjectives we use when we are describing food. Are you ready? Sweet, sweet. Chocolate is made with a lot of sugar. We can say it tastes sweet. Sweet. Salty, salty. French fries are cooked with a lot of salt. They taste salty, salty. Spicy, spicy. Chili peppers can be very hot. We can say they taste spicy, spicy. Great job, everyone. Now let's practice listening to our dialogue together. Lesson 19, Dialogue. Hey, Dan. Do you know how to cook? A little bit. I cook rice and eggs for breakfast. I help my mom cook chicken and vegetables for lunch. How about you? My mom is teaching me a new recipe. We cook chicken with ginger, onion, salt, pepper, and chili peppers. It is really good. It is a little bit salty and a little bit spicy. That sounds delicious. Yesterday, I cooked beef with onions, potatoes, and carrots. The carrots made it taste a little bit sweet. I love carrots. Vegetables are very healthy for you. I also try to eat many fruits. Mangoes are my favorite. I like to eat pineapples or bananas after dinner. They are so sweet and delicious. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice your new vocabulary words about food. If this video helped you learn English, please like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!